Hello creators. So today lesson we are going to be talking about story building. So we have talked about image generation. We have talked about prompting. I've also teach you how to create your first video, and I've also teach scene continuity. So today I want to talk about story building. One thing I want you to know is that you are the director and your AI is the artist. So in order for you to have a perfect video, there's this one question I want you to always ask yourself. What is? What is? What is this one thing that if I add to this story, it will stand out? What is this one thing that will make this story different from the regular story? So this is one thing that every creator should always think before you initiate any story. It is one thing to have a very good storyline. It is one thing to have a very perfect scene. But it's another thing for you to think that one little secret that will make your story to stand out. So story building starts from your image generation. It starts from your main character. So for example, you want to do a cooking scene, a cooking video. Your main character, the person that is going to cook, the image for that person, the scene, the ingredients, the prompting that you use, all those things are part of story building. So I know the fact that I titled this particular lesson story building. Some of you that want to go into lifestyle, into finance, into any other niche, cooking, children cartoon, storytelling, Bible teaching, and others will feel like, this one is not for me. No, it is for you. Story building, like I said earlier, it starts from your image, your prompting, it goes on to your sound, it goes on to your editing and everything. So when you have the perfect picture of what you want your story to become, that thing that you want to do to make your story stand out, you already know how to start. You already know who is your main character, what you want your main character to look like. If you want to do a rugged cook now, you want to do a cooking video and the cook is going to be a rugged street cook. You're not going to use a lady who is very demure and classy. So that is why I said it's no matter, even if you want to do an advert, you want to do advert for close up. Are you going to use someone that the teeth is brown? No. So you want to do adverts now for hypo. Are you going to use someone that is wearing a pink clothes? No. So that is why I said story building have to start from you knowing what you want to do as the director. You are the director as a creator. Then you know that this is the story I want to create. This is how I want my main character to look like. For example, the main character of your video are three. You already know that, okay, the female, she's going to be a lady in her mid 20. So you already know that the main character of your video, maybe two female, one male. One of the female she will be around 30 years old. One of the other female will be around maybe 15 years old. The male will be in his mid 30. The male will be a very shy person, fair in complexion. You already know what you want your main character to look like. So what you have to do is generate your main character image so that you'll be able to have a consistent character, your main character. For you to have a consistent character, at least the similarity should still be there. You have to generate your main character image, save them in your gallery. So anytime you want to do a video of that your main character in the market, all you have to do is go to that your gallery, carry the picture of that your main character, then you do the scene of that person, create the image of that scene in the market before you go and generate your video. Maybe you want your main character to be in a beer parlor, you want your main character to be in the church. all you have to do is carry that image that you have already generated for your main character and take it to the uh, image generator, generate your image in ChatGPT, then you go and generate your video in any AI app that you are using. So if maybe like I told you before, if you want a video that is colorful and bright, it also begins from your image. So I'm going to give you a practical example so that you know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to give you a practical example of a bad image and a good image so that you will see what I'm trying to tell you. So let's generate a good image now. I want you to generate a colorful image of a carrot. The carrot will be like a beautiful lady with braids on her hair, and she will have eyes, like she will have a ladylike feature. She will be beautiful, and she will be in a very beautiful and colorful carrot village. So give me the image for this. So you can see the image that ChatGPT generated for me now. But this is not what I want. I want a carrot-like image. So let's go again. I want you to generate an image of a girl, like she will be in a carrot form, but though she will have hand and leg, just make her leg to be carrot so that once kids see it, they will actually know that this is a carrot. So this is the image that ChatGPT generated for me. This is exactly how I want it to be like. So let me assume that this is my main character now. And you can see how colorful and beautiful this video is. So imagine, I've not even used this with this image to generate video now, but you already know that any video I use this image to generate, it must be clean and colorful and bright. So let me generate a bad image so that you will see what I'm trying to say. So this is another image I generated again. Are you going to compare the results from this video now to the results of the first one I show you? You see, if you generate video with this one, which you generate video with that very first one, are you expecting the same results? The answer is no. So for example, I want to create a thumbnail now. Let me use this image now to create a thumbnail so that you see what I'm trying to say, because this is my main character now. Let's do this one together. So I have to generate a thumbnail now with this my major character. Let me save first. Okay, then let's go. Generate a thumbnail for me and name it the Carrot Village. So I want it to be dull like this, and I want the environment to also feel with like there's a chaos. So just name it the Carrot Village. Let's wait to see the results. So this is the thumbnail that ChatGPT generated for me with this image. Let's go and generate a thumbnail. I hope you know a thumbnail now. That is like a cover photo for your story. So let's go and use the other image to generate so that you'll see the difference between these two images. So this is a thumbnail from the second image. And without being told, you already know that this second image now, this second one with this one, you see, the difference is clear when you have a good image and when you don't have a good image. So these are parts of story building. Your story building actually starts from your main character, you knowing what you want your main character to look like, how you want it to be. Your story building actually starts from here. This is the foundation of your story building. How you want each scene to be. One thing I want you to put in the back of your mind is that you are the director. And as a director in a movie set, You are the one that is going to determine how each scene is going to play out, not the AI dictating for you. The AI is on your command, like is going to follow your instruction, is going to obey your command. All you have to do is have an idea of what your storyline is going to be, the result you are expecting before you even start working. So now that you have learned basically everything, I know it's still remaining small. I already told you I'm not going to gatekeep, so be rest assured that you definitely get the remaining tips to spice up your AI animation videos. Now, this is your homework for today. With all that you have learnt rather, I want you to create an advert video for me with this AI Creator Academy. This my AI Creator Academy now. Create an advert video with what you experience, what we are doing here, how we are doing things. What is just do your thing. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But mind you, I want you to think this one word I always say, put in back of your mind. What is that one thing that will make your AI, your advert to stand out from others? So once you already have that, I will know that, okay, we are ready for the next class. See you in the next class.